Hello everybody and welcome back to New Gorilla Tech Thing. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add this beautiful claw machine where you guys can pick up stuff to Gorilla Tech Thing. It's pretty cool actually, I like this. And yeah, this is very simple to add, so yeah, just join my Discord server, link for this in the description. Go to claw machine right here. It's right down here at the bottom. Yeah, there will be a new package, just add that. And now here you go. This actually has the example, so you just want to go key stuff claw machine, and then there's an example for the claw machine. So right here, it's just this one here. Yeah, but I'll be showing you how to set this up. So you have this claw machine right here. You want to add a claw machine manager on this. You want to make an empty game object, put this as a start post. So I have mine up here around. Very simple thing. You have can use machine. So if you want to make this purchasable, you probably want to turn this off and then make a script turn this on. But yeah, for now I will just keep this on. So yeah, very simple thing. Claw, you just want to have a like object like claw. This thing here is for me, my claw, and also it's in the side of the prefab. You have the acceleration and deceleration, very simple thing. It's just going to, like when you move it, it's going to accelerate and decelerate with this rate. Very simple thing. Max speed is just the max speed that you're able to reach. Moving this thing, very simple thing, I believe. You have this beautiful border thing. If you have gizmos on, you guys can see this. It's like a green box, so you guys just adjust this. And just a really quick saying, it's not using collision, so it's not when you touch this, it's going to stop. It's going to go as far as the center is, so like this it would be. And yeah, you guys can just do whatever you want with this, if it should go this far or if it should go this far. That's also why my green box is like behind the glass, so it stops when it's around like this. So yeah, this should work beautifully. So you have the offset. It's just going to offset the box, as you guys can see. You have offset rotation. I just wanted to work a bit with metrics, and maybe some people need this. I don't think so though, but yeah. Wasn't even fun working with metrics, really complicated stuff, and it took me a while to figure this out. But yeah, test mode is just going to be able to test it out. And now you have the rail length and the move there. Move there is just what's going to move. This is only visual stuff, you don't need to do anything of this. The editor visual right here, the rail length, is basically for those things. It's just going to do like those beams if you have gizmos on. Bright color means it's the positive one, and this one's just the minus one, you know. But yeah. So red stands for X, Z is the blue one, and the green one is Y. So you guys can have those buttons down here with the box collider is trigger and the layer is set to trigger whatever you want. With the claw machine mover, you want to select the manager in here, and now you just have the direction, and I don't know which direction would go, so this is for what this is. Because this one is supposed to move this direction, I just took the beautiful thing, so this one's the dark one, so I know this is the positive one, and I want to move it into this direction, so I just set it to X, and you guys can even set the speed in here. But yeah, this is super simple, as you guys can see. So, now a little thing that's extra for the claw machine thing, if you want to, you can add the line renderer, set this up however you like it, with default line and the width on whatever you want. Probably also want to hide those because yeah, this is really ugly, but I'll show you how to make this really cool. So this also works in edit mode. This is this beautiful script I made. It's called the claw line. Connect point is just what's going to like have the point where it's connecting. I know, really smart, but this one's for me at the top right here, because if it would be at the center it would look really stupid. Why did I say it this way? Okay, well, who cares? And the connected point is this thing, and you have the start point, which is just up here where it like goes, you know, the line goes there. And now you have the sag and the segments. So, as you guys can see, it's more like a cable thingy. Instead of being like stiff like this here, it will be like this here, and you guys can change this here, how far it should go down or up. Oh, how smooth it should be, and yeah, really cool thing. I am not gonna lie about this. I really like this. I'm really proud of this. It was also fun to work on this one. And now the things that you want to make sure also this claw has is box collider with is trigger, and then rigid body with is kinematic. And now on the items down here, you will add this script here, which also needs a box collider with is trigger, and also rigid body with is kinematic. And you have the speed. So after you collect this, it's going to go with the claw thingy up here to the start point. And it's going to go with that speed, and it's going to shrink down to be as small as 0. So it's basically invisible and small as hell, and it's going to just get destroyed. But yeah. That's also with the speed here. You have to collect distance, so how close it has to be to up here to the start point to actually get collected. The manager, I just want to select the manager, and on pickup is basically when this gets picked up, it's going to do the following function that you have in here. For me, it's with easy currency handling, which I made a script. If you want this, it's also in the server. I will actually just link this into here really quick. So yeah. And for me, I will just go ahead, easy currency handling, and then do add currency, and then do 10. The claw tag, you just want to do claw, and so up here on the claw, you want to give it the tag claw. And this is really simple. This is basically what it is. There's nothing more to know about. I think I told you about the rigid body and box collider, so yeah, I can show you how this is going to look like. So in here, I will just go ahead and do test mode, and for this one here, to actually make it visually, yeah, so you just can see it, I will just take my bridge from the big forest and set this to get disabled. So this one just will get disabled. It just will look like this. So yeah, okay, now I have test mode on. I will just go to gane, and now I can move with Q and E down and up. This is, by the way, why am I doing this? This is just a little script I made back then. So I'll just move it down here. Now WASD, I just can move it around, as you guys can see. So let's put this here. You guys can see it got disabled, and now it's going to shrink down, and now it's getting destroyed. Boop. And yeah, now you can actually move this again also. Now you're able to move freely around again and do whatever you want to do with this. This also works with those buttons. This is a very simple thing. Bye bye, and love you all.